What up, what up, what up? What's going on, my good people? What's up, what's up? Welcome back to the street. Wall Street, that is. Hope you guys are doing well, feeling good. For those of you on YouTube, what's up, what's up? For those of you in the chat room, I see you guys as usual. Those of you tuning in on YouTube, remember the disclaimer. Remember that day trading is risky business, all right? I know some people say, RT, why do you go over this disclaimer every single time? Well, you already get it. But sometimes there's a few newcomers, a few new subscribers, and so it's good to reiterate this stuff and let the people know day trading is risky. Do not use money that you cannot afford to lose. Utilize a trading simulator and or small share size. Do not blindly copy trade. It does not work. Remember, my results are not typical, and I do not invest for my subscribers. In addition, be careful of fake advertisements. People are stealing the Relentless trading and Team House content and are sadly using it to run ads. So if you do see a fake ad, help us in reporting it. We do appreciate it. And now with that being said, we can look at the watch list. I still do have a pretty bad cold, and I'll be muting my mic at times and maybe walking off screen at times to take care of that. But it's not going to hold us back here today. We have our watch list, and there's really and truly just one stock that I really like, and that is, of course, ATNF, which is currently around 580s, 590s. It's up 77%, and there's 35 million shares of volume. Is that accurate? That's a lot of volume. That is a lot of volume here for a chart that looks like there wasn't a lot of volume. Let's see, as of recent, as of 8:15, we've been pushing 1.3. We've been pushing over 1 million shares. Okay, I guess that'll add up pretty quickly. All right, cool. After hour highs. This one started in after hours yesterday. We got 670 high point. Let me check out. What time is it? 22. I'm actually curious to see a little bit about this company, ATNF. It's not the first time I've seen it. Life Science. Okay. Total holdings. $350 million in capital. Okay. PIPE transaction. They completed some transaction last. I mean, okay, fine, cool. Okay. Acquisition. Approximately 349 million. Goodness. All right. There's a headline, all right. Okay, cool. All right, so there's 6 minutes to go. I'm gonna make sure to start up my screen recording. Is this a stock that's going to be able to give big breakouts in short time frames and give an uptrend? Yesterday, we started off with what we thought was small size, and the risk was a little bit bigger than we expected. So today, I think I'll go even smaller with size just to have a little bit more longevity, because at the end of the day, it's gonna be a long morning here for me. um, at the end of the day, when a stock starts to move and it's strong, there's usually time to get green. And so I don't need to be green in the first 2-3 trades per se. Those trades can be just for me to connect and get into sync, get into rhythm. And then, where's the mighty? The Mighty might have had another flood. Hopefully the Mighty is all good. Yeah, man, the Mighty has to stop camping and trading at the same time, you know. Camping stuff is depsy. And then he doesn't even go with bear spray. No bear spray is crazy. So we have 4 minutes. We've also had a good time to look at the scan here, so I think I'll go to single screen, maybe turn the scanner off for now. We can check back if things slow down and we need to take a quick look. I haven't really been using the 1 minute chart on YouTube. I've been looking at it on my own. I just don't like the time it takes to have to like type in the new stock that I'm looking at over and over. So that's the real reason why I've just been on single screen. Yeah, the mighty, the mighties in the depths with the flooding and everything else. I'm gonna put on my blue light glasses today to not fry my eyeballs, and then I also have issues with the ceiling light that I have here, so I'll throw on my hat as well, just to give that bit of a shadow, and I'll be good. Good to go. We got 3 minutes to the opening bell. Yeah, when you go camping, you need to take bear spray, man, because God forbid, like a bear rolls up to your campsite, right? You got to be ready. If I forget to mute my mic when I walk off camera, I'm sure to lose half the subscribers here. I gotta make sure when I'm blowing my nose. So for some reason, the way how I am, whenever I'm like, I don't know if I have like the flu or if it was COVID, maybe, I don't know. But man, like the way how I sweat is insane. It's like I woke up 3 different times and had to change 3 different times, like everything. Like the sweat is like, and this is since like as long as I could remember. If I'm ever sick, and like I guess like my body's like just ah, what a night, terrible night. But day trading is here to give us some sweet, sweet honey to take this day into a different direction. So with 2 minutes to go, I'm looking forward to greatness here. And by the way, if you haven't noticed, if you're just listening in, I'm wearing red, which means Green Day is incoming. Whilst wearing a red shirt, we're maybe like 40 and something, 40 and like 8 or something like that. So we have a great record here, and we look forward. You need 2 or 3 shots of Don Julio. Wow. Say. Um, yeah, so we're looking forward to a disciplined day. As mentioned yesterday, we took a bit of a loss early, so even smaller size to start today. And just really looking to take it slow and letting a stock really prove itself, getting some good confirmation before, putting any ounce of size out there. So if today's a slow day, we shouldn't be down more than $100 at all with the size that we're looking to use here to start. So ATNF is the one I'll be watching into the open. And let's see what we get out of this one. See, I don't know about sleeping in the cold because then, maybe it throws off what your body's trying to do, right? So here we go. The high right there, 98, now 615. We got a high now of 16. Don't forget, as you're tuning in on YouTube, to hit that thumbs up. What I want to see is this stock breaking out over 16. That could be pretty good. If we can break out over 16. Can we hold 80 here? Trying 78 area. Tight stop. Still using the baby size, by the way. If we can break over 616 and get into a nice uptrend, would be good. We haven't really sold off below 70 just yet, so still keeping an eye. Let me check the scans. PUBM. I'm going to check out some other ones quickly. But I want to keep an eye in case there's a red to green here. I'm checking out some other ones. ZENA. Taking a starter on ATNF here. Oh, goodness, so much for that starter. It seems like we might end up being more range bound. Looks like that's exactly what it might be. Okay, all right. We have to use that to our advantage here. Still early though, only 5 minutes after the open. That is not holding up at all. Trying trying ATNF at the lows, but no good. It's making new lows. There's a cheaper stock, PRPH, at 42 cents. Can we see a a quick move, a good move in a short time frame here? Don't forget, if you're tuning in on YouTube, to hit the thumbs up. Look at ATNF, man. Complete depths. Selling off into the gallows. This one hasn't really given a big move in a short time frame yet, so still keeping an eye to see what it can do. I'm only interested if it can really rip. Can we see a 3-4 cent move? Even a 2.5 cent move could be good. RMBL could be interesting too. Hit the scans a few times here. It's not really quite pushing, so taking it easy on it. I don't think anything looks good. Maybe RMBL could become something, but nothing looks good right now. So I'm just gonna wait on the sidelines. XFOR, maybe there's something here. Up 33% with 34 million shares of volume. And pre-market highs are 96. That didn't dip low at all right there. RMBL is giving me vibes of the stock we traded yesterday. It's like it's trying to go and not really doing anything. If it gets to like 325, I'll look over. XFOR, give us a sweet dip. Okay. XFOR, can we hold up the VWAP on the pullback? Oh, this thing got to 47? Holy smokes. Okay, maybe it's time to... I said 25 too. Jeez. Highs are at 47. What's the VWAP? 11 and then... Okay. All right, RMBL here, checking it out. Where did I get filled? Not good. Not a great fill. Although it could be a higher low though. Not bad. It's fighting here. It's still holding. No good over 34. We haven't had a 1 minute candle make a new high yet in this after that last breakout, so that should be interesting. Okay. It's coming down. ATNF, is it curled up? ATNF is up quite a bit. We haven't had a pullback yet, but maybe it just keeps going. It's hard to say. It's pushing at 6. 610, not bad. I did not expect the quick red to green at all here. At all. It's back up. RMBL. The ATNF dip could be big since we haven't had a red candle since the red to green. I'm sticking to RMBL. Just, looking at this one a little longer, I think might have a better chance here. The way all these stocks are moving is just so bad. Well, we're at $100. No good. The writing may be on the wall. Bro, this market is just the worst thing I've ever seen right now. This doesn't even look like the same market. Night and day difference. Yeah. How could it be so slow? ADN, let me see. ADN, is there anything here? Is this one coming to save the day? Perhaps. And there's already a dip. ADN does seem like it has a little bit of risk. The way how it drops down. So I gotta watch out for that. It's an instant rejection there. Okay, okay. Come on. Alright, I'm not liking what I'm seeing there for that breakout. Tried 90, no good. We held up over 80, 85, but did not get that breakout over 3. Oh, the fills are like silly, man. I don't know how I get filled in the moon like that. Like this stock has a decent chart, but it's like this price action is like, can we see $3 here? It was tricky. It was not, well, let's not say tricky. The dip came, it was too quick. The bounce up was too, it was just too quick. I couldn't get in on ADN. Now red $200. Not good. This market, man. Ah, is this the same? This can't be the same market, right? This can't be the same market. It's madness. Nothing is giving me any confidence here. And then I'm selling my trades. Stock is now bouncing. Vicious cycle. Vicious. You know what? 1 minute trader, are you here? If you're here, let us know what stock you're looking at, man. Everything looking like the depths here. We're down $200 on the day. Not connecting on anything, not having the confidence to hold. ZENA moved up and sold off. Sometimes paper hands to trade. Sometimes paper handsing some trades, which is not good. RMBL. Well, these reclaims haven't been working either, so skeptical here. For those of you on the YouTube live stream, are you guys able to see any good profits? Looks like it's a little mixed. Of $1. A dip and rip out of the resumption. ATNF. I wasn't looking at that one. And this is off of a halt down. But yeah, it gave a good red to green at least. I'm red $200. Just not seeing anything, man. Right now, we can go watch a live trading archive of BMR. The day I made 26,000 to go see why this market right now is nonsense. This is the absolute depths. Bottom of the 7 seas. Davy Jones locker. Trading. These stocks right now, no good. Like I wouldn't want to be down more than this. Like I'm thinking maybe that's it too. Like, you know, it's early, but nothing is promising. It's like if we're gonna see this all day, then the trend is clear. The trajectory is clear. $200 in the red is enough. So despite wearing a beautiful red shirt today, we're now 40-9 whilst wearing red. Man. Guys, I was before today I was like 40-8 whilst wearing red, okay? 40 green days to 8 red days. Commentators jinx. Well, I might as well just go on a vacation. Like but it's so hard to say. Why is it so hard for me to go on a vacation? It's like I can afford to go on a vacation, and it's like still so hard for me just to leave in this slow market. Well, what's holding me back? There's nothing here to trade. Right now is the best time to just go on a beach somewhere and just relax. Am I a slave to the game here? That's the real question. What am I missing? Do I have FOMO of a slow market? Why can't I just say, hey, that's it? Leave for a good week or two, enjoy myself, miss nothing, and come back refreshed. And maybe, who knows, maybe things start to turn around a little bit into, you know, the next quarter. Why do I still show up knowing it's slow when I can go on a vacation? Am I addicted to trading? Is trading a drug for me? I don't think so. The answer is no. I do enjoy the weekends. I mean, there was once upon a time ago where I hated the weekends. I just wanted to trade every day. But I learned the value of time off on the weekends. You know, and I guess there is a level of FOMO because you're always thinking like, what if tomorrow is the day where things finally start to get better again, and like you're missing the first couple of days of the next hot momentum. But if you zoom out in the grand scheme of things, it really means nothing. We're gonna be here till we're 90 years old. If we miss 2 hot days, no big deal. MIMI looks like a. Do you want to call that a dead cat bounce? A bottom bounce? XFOR. Pre-market highs are at 96. Well, my fills do not help me out a bit. Not one bit. We're breaking the pre-market highs on XFOR. Oh, mother lover. Why is the move so slow here? Like, come on. I mean, it might be a grinder here, okay, but can we see something decisive? See, the issue I'm having with this stock is that it's not giving a big move quickly. Like, it's still here at 95 for the last 2 minutes in a breakout over the pre-market highs. Yeah, at this rate, I'll probably make more cutting grass in the neighborhood. All right. Oh, I can't wait for the sweet days where the next hot cycle comes and redeems us all, redeem us from this insane asylum of just slow days. I'm ready to see 10K days flowing in back to back to back. Record weeks, 50K plus. I'm ready to see New levels and new heights with share size. I didn't really get an indication to add down there. So I didn't. We had lows around 92. And the chat room is killing me right now, man. We just have to count ourselves lucky that red to green is still not in the chat room in these slower times. Or he'd have been going crazy. Dang, that's not gonna come till 94, is it? Let's see. So, time. What is the time? Are we reclaiming? All right, that is it for me. That is it for me. The dog days of summer. Market 1, RT in the depths. This is the night and day difference of showing up every day and making thousands of dollars and then showing up and there's nothing. I'm gonna go take a bathroom break, and then when I come back, I'm gonna shut it down. Bathroom break. I'll be back in 5. I'll put on the scanner here too, actually. And XFOR. Just absolute depths. And all right, I'll be back. All right. I don't think I missed anything. If you guys enjoyed the scan, you can always check it out. Links are down below. ATNF curling up at the highs. Oh man, the Momo, the Momo. So after XFOR, I'm now at 330. I don't know why I'm still here. I think it's not worth it, and shutting it down right now makes the most sense. Let me know if you guys have any quick questions here towards the end, and then I'm out of here. Big Steve, are you able to see any green today, brother? The time to take a vacation is now, not when it gets hot. The time is now. The team house is ready for vacation. The boys are ready. The trading team. Honestly, anywhere I travel anywhere where it's cheap, safe, and all inclusive. And at least 5 nights. Oh, look at that bid that came in there. Was that 30,000 share bid or 20,000 share bid? Nice 10-cent jump. Now give us a sweet dip. The resistance might be at 70 here. Nope. It might go straight through. There's 75. What's it going to be? There's no dip. Bro. Bro, why can't these dips bounce when I'm in? Jeez. Come on, can we hold up the pullback? It looks good. I don't want to take too much size, but I'm interested in just adding. Like, I just want to just keep buying this dip, but I don't want to be too aggressive with size still. I'm buying the dip. Okay, all right. 670 might just be resistance after all. Is the breakout trade worth it if we're to get over the level of 70%? Perhaps if we can move like how we just moved, which was like a 50 cent move, then I can see myself being in it like 75, 85 and out at 7. But, I got to be careful of false breakouts. Watching to see how well the pullback will shape out as well. How low will we go? How low will we go? This candle is still young, by the way. So this could go low. Instant rejection. Could go low. Could go low. Will we be able to see a retest of 70 again? Is this the retest of 70? Watching, waiting. We haven't been seeing reclaimings, so waiting on the sidelines. And the 5-minute setup is Titanic King here, it looks like. Needs to get back over 50 and then 70. Fuck this. These stocks are so bad, bro. Alright, that'll do it for me. I got slippage on that too, man. Oh, goodness gracious. I've doubled my red day to 500. Great. Lovely. You know, I should have been out of here down 200 bucks. 300 extra to the wind for nothing. Oh, man, man. Wow. And that 5-minute setup was sorry as heck. We couldn't get back over 50. And then we take slippage. Ay, ay, ay. Anyhows, the pastor is signing out. The pastor is signing out. ATNF and others, no good. That's the only issue I have with the recaps in these slow times is that it just seems like I'm showing up there to just say like another slow day, you know? Is there a lesson in there for me to perhaps had left out earlier? Maybe. Before we went to the bathroom, we did say the trajectory on the day seems to be clear. And then we came back, ATNF making a new high. And we started looking into the pullback. The move from 630 to 670, we didn't really have a red candle. The first pullback that came from 80 to 50 bounced up to 70. We broke below 50, so I'm now looking at the 5-minute setup. A bit of a bigger pullback down to 30. And we're unable to bounce over 50 again. So no hopes of retesting 70. So in a hotter market, that right there, that's like that same setup is the difference, right? It's like there is no difference on how I would take that trade. The only difference is that I'm in at 42, and instead of stopping out at freaking 25, stock actually curls up, and I'm selling over 650. I'm selling like a little bit at 58, perhaps, then 65, and then selling the rest right up at 70. Or if it's really hot, I'm holding all the way through to new highs at like $697. And it's back to 650 here after selling off, which it doesn't make any sense. Sells off even more to then go back to 650. What was the lowest? Like maybe like 6. Did I shut down E-Trade? No, let's see. What was the low? ATNF. Bro, like this is just unbelievable. So we went to a low of 608, only to then go back to 650. Like, what is this pullback, man? What is that? So we ended up dropping off about 75 cents. And this was the previous, not quite the previous highs. Good day, man. Good day. Yeah. Slow market. Pete, we added 200 to our deficit. Or 300, actually. 250. We're down 500 now on the day. Ah, man. I'm just waiting. Hopefully not waiting for too long. I'm ready to start seeing, 2-3K a day just flowing in. Before you even wake up, you know what to expect. All right, I think I'm out of here. It's 11. It's a good time to shut it down. SPY is up today, surprisingly. Thought we would have been down with the news. Trump is still going crazy for the rate cuts. We're probably not going to get one this year. I don't know. Maybe early next year or late this year, if anything. But anyhow, take care, stay safe, stay green. Ay. This is twice I'm saying my max loss is 200. And I'm shutting it down over $200 in the red. It's too much. For these slower days, we gotta reduce everything more. All right, guys, take care, stay safe, stay green. Tomorrow tomorrow again.